welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. If you're new, I'm so happy to see you. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you for coming back. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure if you have not yet subscribed that you do so. If you like cooking videos like this, check out the description box and I'll share links to my cooking playlist. I'll share links to my Amazon list of cooking and kitchen utensils and equipment that you might need for your kitchen that you don't already have. And these are some of my favorites, so check that out, check that out. Also, this video is for the seafood lovers. You guys out there love seafood. And today we're making pan-seared scallops. It's really easy, and I'm gonna show you today with 4 ingredients. Yeah, 4 ingredients. How to make these pan-seared scallops perfect every single time. Scallops are delicious. Let me tell you, you're gonna love them. Use this as some food cooking inspiration and enjoy this video, you guys. Let's get into it. Those scallops are delicious. If you try this recipe, please make sure you comment and let me know how it came out for you. If you need any tips or any more information, make sure you comment and I will be happy to answer you back. I love to read all the comments. You guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you come back again. Share this, comment, like. It'll help this community grow, and make sure you fill every day with blessings, mwah, and yummy dishes. See you in the next video.